Autoequip Car and Vehicle Wash Systems is located in Vesemir, in the Piedmont province of Asti. The firm has administrative and design offices with its manufacturing facilities and warehouse nearby. Moreover, it has a lodge destined to host external staff. Autoequip aims at optimizing time, costs and space thanks to advanced technologies and excellent human resources. Autoequip equipment is at the cutting edge of car wash technology for the material solidity as well as for customized designs. Every automatic system is perfectly adjusted, thus guaranteeing very good results. We pay special attention to the electronics, which is the brain of automation. Our aim is to simplify the control board and to lower power consumption. Many of Autoequip applications are patented. The equipment is designed by the Technical Design Office, which uses the most modern and sophisticated machines. Autoequip Car and Vehicle Wash Systems gained UNI-N ISO 9001 certification in 1994 and UNI-N ISO 14001 in 2002. The company relies on a sale and assistance service network, including 16 distribution centers assisted by its well-established technical assistance service. This center is primarily aimed at solving the customer's problems. The managing staff is made up of the president, Anna Grazia Barioni, together with the managing director, Massimiliano Murialdi, and councillor shareholder, Lara Murialdi, and the shareholders, Gianfranco Murialdi and Angelo Giamello. Autoequip founder, Michele Murialdi, who established the company in 1963. From the time when the first car wash system was produced, Autoequip has changed its technology, but its constant commitment to excellent quality is still the same. Ciclone Gold has developed from the evolution of the famous double car wash, inverted U-shaped portal Ciclone Autoequip. When the vehicle first enters the Ciclone Gold, it is subjected to high-pressure jets of water, thoroughly washing the vehicle without the use of brushes. The system is made up of 6 side oscillating nozzles and by an upper horizontal robot following the vehicle's contour. It always keeps the same distance from the vehicle. Ciclone Gold can operate completely as a self-service machine. The self-service operation has been improved by important innovations. One of these innovations is a new control board, which allows the user to easily choose the preferred program, and also the payment to be made by banknotes, coins, or a chip card. The inverter device, controlled by an analog card, allows the operator to choose the speed at which the vehicle moves through the wash. Ciclone Gold can indeed operate at 3 speeds, according to the user's requirements. The drying system is comprised of 4 upper fans, oscillating in the transversal sense. The fans are placed in such a position as to also dry the rear of the vehicle. The XBT terminal represents the latest innovation in the field of man-machine dialogue. XBT will allow the user to set programming configurations and also get auto-diagnostics, statistics and reporting data. Pinguino Verde is a modern choice for self-service car wash systems. More and more drivers choose this solution for cleaning all their vehicles, from cars, motorbikes, camper vans, trucks, etc. If you buy a Pinguino Verde station, you will benefit from a series of exclusive services that Autoequip offers you. It will ascertain the potential of the suitable area in which you wish to install the equipment. It will also draw up the layout of the conveyor tracks and complementary equipment in order to get the optimum solution. The external framework allows the washing of vehicles that do not conform to the height standard. Modular washing conveyor tracks are equipped with a high-pressure hose that allows the operator to easily reach all areas of the vehicle. Autoequip has first of all developed this ease-of-use feature. Indeed, Pinguino Verde is equipped with sophisticated but extremely functional machines. All this is possible if we consider the ease of use that has helped users to discover the pleasure of washing their own vehicles in the preferred manner. Moreover, this system is very cheap. Thanks to the manifold mounting possibilities, Autoequip Pinguino Verde can be easily customized for oil companies. The choice of the car wash program is made by an electronic coin box, where the user can check the operational times. Every technical and informative detail is designed and created with the utmost care in order to make the operations in the washing area easier. Blitz belongs to the new generation of Autoequip single car wash inverted U-shaped portal systems. It offers high washing performance and it can operate as a self-service machine because of a simple control board, which takes banknotes or a chip card. Different equipment and washing heights are available, from the basic model to the model equipped with only one-sided high-pressure jet, up to the model also equipped with variable high-pressure combinations. The most complete Blitz is equipped with a total high-pressure module. It cleans onto the top and both sides of the vehicle, follows the vehicle's contour, and guarantees a high-quality pre-washing. The horizontal brush movement and pressure operate under the direct control of an Autoequip patented electronic card. The disc-shaped tyre wash systems operate by choice only on the wheel, even with tyre block, or on all the lower side. The drying system comprises a horizontal opening that follows the vehicle contour and two fixed side openings. Blitz displays technologically and functionally advanced features and elegant design. From high-pressure pre-washing to the brush group action up to the final drying, everything is designed to operate according to the contours of various vehicles to guarantee a very good result at every step. EcoStar. The new Autoequip car wash inverted U-shaped portal shows advanced technical features with a particularly aesthetic design. Its main features are external design made of ABS, side high-pressure jet, disc-shaped tyre wash system, programmable logic control, PLC, and drying system following the vehicle's contour. EcoStar can work as a self-service machine. Autoequip industrial car and vehicle wash systems belong to the great Autoequip production and represent a field in which our company has always tried to focus on high-quality functional equipment with adaptable features. Washing industrial vehicles means solving a series of problems linked to the varied forms of vehicles, such as articulated lorries, coaches, tank trucks and trains, or means with special shapes or sizes. Therefore, besides the standard series, Autoequip is able to design and build customized machines. Autoequip industrial car wash systems are the best solution for those who use these means of transport for their work and would like to give their company an image of efficiency and prestige through their care of the vehicles. Every washing step happens in order to guarantee efficient results in each part of the vehicle. In the models equipped with motorized carriages, vertical brushes move from left to right and vice versa in front and behind the vehicle, thus allowing a much stronger and complete washing operation. Also, the horizontal brush path follows every vehicle contour perfectly. New high-speed Autoequip tunnel makes all other systems look slower. Since Autoequip car and vehicle wash systems has always been a leader in this type of system, it developed the new tunnel model, improving on operating potential and following the technological evolution and new market demands. High-speed tunnel has the modular structure and is designed and manufactured to obtain less time for more work. The most important innovations consist of the translating brushes and the possibility to vary the vehicle's speed through the tunnel according to need. In order to guarantee the very best result possible, the machine carries on for a while longer together with the vehicle, thus allowing the brushes to clean for more time. High-speed tunnel is available in 2 models with different lengths. Then you will be able to choose among a wide range of basic and customized colors. The possibility to include the control cabinet in the tunnel structure allows the operator to compactly install the various components. It also allows the best use of space and easy technical checkups. Sophisticated electronics drives the working of the various operating steps. Autoequip car wash systems represents care, operating speed and an organization reaching every Italian town and more than 30 countries all over the world. It also has a qualified assistance service network to solve every installation and operating problem. Since our car wash installations are leaders in this field, our goal is to make their use and purchase simpler all over the world.